Now, if your clients aren't selling out their services, it's not because people don't want cleaning, roofing, landscaping, or whatever niche they're in. It's because the offer isn't irresistible yet. And that's good news because offers can be engineered. In this video, I'm going to show you how to design offers so powerful that they almost feel unfair to the competition. We'll use a cleaning business as an example because it's relatable, simple, and every town has them. But I want you to remember something. The same framework works for any client you serve, even for your own agency offers. So, if you never had a client complain, I run ads but no one booked, or I dropped my price but the phone still isn't ringing, this is the video that shows you how to fix it. So stick with me to the end because not only will you know how to craft offers to sell it fast, but I'll also give you the next step to join a community where we break these frameworks down and apply them together. So let's get started. Now, why do most cleaning offers fail? Here's the first truth. Most small business owners don't have a leads problem. They have an offer problem. Think about the last cleaning business that you saw. It probably said something like weekly house cleaning available, affordable cleaning service, $99 cleaning special. Now let me ask you, how many of those made you stop in your tracks and think, I've got to book this right now? Probably not. You see, that's the trap. They're selling the service instead of the result. People don't really want weekly cleaning. What they want is peace of mind, extra hours back in their week, and the relief of walking into a spotless home without lifting a finger. You see, when you as an agency owner just amplify a bad offer with ads, you're magnifying the wrong message. That's why the calendar doesn't fill, no matter how many impressions you buy. So the first rule is this: ads can't fix weak offers. Strong offers fix themselves because they naturally attract attention. And that raises the question: how do you create an irresistible offer for a cleaning business or any client for that matter? Here's the backbone, and it comes straight from the value equation laid out in the $100 million series by Alex Hormozi. Every irresistible offer maximizes four levers. The first is the dream outcome. You see, for a cleaning business, it's not dust-free surfaces. It's coming home to a guest-ready house that smells fresh and looks brand new. Now, for a roofer, it might be never worry about leaks again. Maybe it's a salon. It's walking out and feeling like a new person. Now, the second is perceived likelihood of achievement. How certain do I feel that I'll actually get that outcome? If you're a cleaning business or you're dealing with one, maybe it's before and after photos, testimonials, Google reviews. If you're focusing on an agency, perhaps it's automated reputation management and high level to keep proof flowing in. The third one is time delay. How fast do I get the outcome? Book today, we clean tomorrow feels irresistible compared to call us for a quote. We'll get back to you next week. People don't just want results, they want them fast. The fourth is effort and sacrifice. How much work do I need to do as the customer? You see, when you're doing a strong cleaning offer, think of it. No contracts. We bring our own supplies, easy reschedule. A weak offer, customer provides vacuum, 12-month contract required. Now let's put this together in one line. You see, instead of saying $99 cleaning, imagine your client saying, imagine walking into a spotless, guest-ready home tomorrow without lifting a finger, and if you're not thrilled, you don't pay. Which one do you think fills calendars? Exactly. And again, swap out cleaning with whatever your client does. The framework doesn't change much. So let's focus on how we can then stack offers for maximum value. Most small business owners sell the core service and stop there. That's like serving a plain burger with no fries, no drink, no extras. But irresistible offers are built with value stacks. Here's how it works for cleaning. You start with the core service, a deep home clean. Bonus, inside refrigerator clean out. Bonus number 2, free air freshener or scent service. Bonus number 3, complimentary laundry fold for first load. Now, suddenly, this isn't just deep cleaning. It's a 600 package reframed and bundled for, let's say, $297. And so here's the kicker. You can then add scarcity. Only available for the first 10 households this month. Now, why does this work? Because people act when they feel like they're missing out. And it doesn't matter if it's cleaning, lawn care, coaching, the formula is the same. You start with the core product. Then you add bonuses that feel highly valuable but cost little to deliver. You add scarcity that makes it time sensitive. And your job as an agency is to help clients design these stacks so that when the ad hits, it doesn't feel like another Me Too offer. It feels like the deal they've been waiting for. So let's talk about how you say the offer. Now, a weak headline would be something like weekly house cleaning service available. A strong headline? What would it feel like to come home to a spotless house without lifting a finger? See the difference? The first is information. The second is transformation. You see, this is where reframing comes in. Instead of telling people what the service is, ask questions that pull out what the service does for them. How much time would it save you if you never had to scrub bathrooms again? What would it mean to you to have your home guest ready all year long? Those questions stop people in their tracks. They make them picture the outcome, not the process. And so as an agency owner, one of the best gifts you can ever give your clients is a done-for-you messaging. Headlines, ad hooks, SMS scripts, email copy. They don't know how to sell outcomes, but you do. And the beauty of all that, once you build this messaging for a single cleaning client, you can adapt it to any other niche or other cleaning clients. You see, even the best offer can die if it lacks three things: scarcity, urgency, and proof. Scarcity. There are only so many slots on the calendar. Help your clients position this as a feature, not a bug. We're only taking 10 new households this month. That's scarcity. Tie in urgency. You see, you want to add urgency with time or consequence. For example, maybe there's a holiday reset special. Book before December 20th. Or every day you wait, the mess grows. Next, proof. You see, nobody wants to be the guinea pig. That's why reviews, before after pictures, and testimonial videos matter. As an agency owner, this is where automation comes in. Use High Level to automatically request a Google review after every appointment. Then repurpose those reviews in ads. Remember, an offer without proof is just a claim. Let's talk price. Most cleaning businesses set a flat fee and cross their fingers. A $99 special, 15% off, 20% off. But here's what worked better: price anchoring. Show the value of the stack first. Deep cleaning, $300. Fridge cleanout, $100. Air freshener, $50. Laundry fold, $150. Total value, $600. Then reveal the bundle price. All of this for just $300 or $299. That's how you make someone feel like they're stealing value. And then layer on top of that a guarantee. If you don't walk into your home and say, wow, you don't pay. That flips the risk. Now, suddenly the customer has nothing to lose and the business looks confident and trustworthy. Now, as the agency owner, you're not just running ads. You're helping your client create these anchors and guarantees that actually move the needle. Now, let's get real. Even the most irresistible offer won't survive if the client can't deliver consistently. That's where fulfillment systems come in. Your role as the agency owner is not just to fill the calendar, it's to make sure the back end doesn't collapse. Now, for a cleaning business, that looks like this: automated booking calendars inside of High Level, SMS and email reminders to cut down no-shows, upsell automations. Want us to clean the fridge too? Just reply yes. For your own agency, it's the same principle. Don't just promise, fulfill flawlessly. And so this is straight out of the book, $100 Million Money Models. The model only scales if the delivery is consistent. So remember, Irresistible offers plus smooth fulfillment equals scalability. So let's bring this home. We've covered why most offers fail, the value equation, stacking bonuses, messaging that sells outcomes, not services, scarcity, urgency, and proof, price anchoring and guarantees, and why fulfillment matters just as much as the offer. Now, I use the cleaning business here as an example, but you can take this exact same framework and apply it to any client in any niche, or even to your own agency. Because at the end of the day, your job as an agency owner isn't just to run ads. It's to engineer offers that fill calendars and make your clients money. Now, if you want to go deeper, I've built a community called GHL Money Labs. That's where we break down real offers, real campaigns, and apply the $100 million system principles together, specifically for agency owners who want to grow the right way. And one more thing. If you choose to sign up for High Level using my affiliate links, I may earn a commission at no extra cost to you. That's one of the ways I support creating this content for you, so I can keep showing you exactly how to grow your business. So check out the links in the description, join the community, and let's start building offers that sell at fast.